Hello everyone, welcome back to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to solve 38 squared in this fast and simple trick. Follow me as I take you through. So we take 3 and take the square of 3. 3 squared gives us 9, so we can write 9 here. And we take the next one, which is 8. 8 squared also gives us 64, so we can combine 64 with 9 already written. Now what do? We multiply 3 by 8 and by the exponent. So we get 3 times 8, which gives us 24, times 2, which gives us 48. So we can write 48 here and add a 0 to the end and sum it all up. 4 plus 0 gives us 4. 6 plus 8 gives us 14. So we write 4 and bring 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10 and 4 plus 10 is 14. So we can conclude that 38 squared is 1444. That's a very long time ago. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. See you next time. Bye bye.